Hi everyone, I'm Jim DeLeo and this is the TCS Compact Robotic Torch Cleaning Station from ABICOR BINZEL. I'm going to cover the TCS Compact's features and benefits and walk you through what makes this an easy to implement torch cleaning solution for your welding application. The TCS incorporates 3 operations tied together to optimize your robotic torch performance and reduce downtime. First is the gas nozzle reamer, then the wire cutter, then the anti-spatter applicator. The nozzle reaming operation features a specially designed V-block and reamer blade to perfectly fit the nozzle and contact tip being used in your application. A 3-point clamping system locks the nozzle in place during the reaming operation. During the cleaning cycle, it's important to have pneumatic air pressure set to a minimum of 90 psi to ensure the best results while cleaning. The wire cutter for the TCS Compact features a hardened cutting blade. This ensures a clean, sharp cut and proper stick out for your next arc start. The anti-spatter applicator is activated just by robot movement, which sprays an even application of anti-spatter fluid. This means no inputs or output signals are needed from the robot controller. The anti-spatter applicator includes this protective cap and reservoir. When the nozzle is in position, it creates a seal that prevents excess anti-spatter from contaminating the air, as well as tooling and fixtures in the welding cell. The TCS Compact is available with an optional short or long stand for easy torch access and plug-and-play quick connect control cables for ease of setup and maintenance. For more information, please visit our website or contact your local BINZEL representative. I'm Jim DeLeo from ABICOR BINZEL. Thanks for watching and have a great day.